welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do something super exciting. We are going to bleach dye, so the opposite of tie-dye pretty much. Instead of putting colors onto shirts or dye onto shirts or hoodies, we are going to bleach them. And this really inspired me because I actually did this before. This is how it turned out. I did it like a year ago and I'm obsessed with this. It's like one of my favorite hoodie. I think it looks really cool. And I wanted to do some more of these, so I ordered a bunch of hoodies or crewnecks from this website called Warden. Here they go. I actually ordered a pink one, but they were out of stock. So I have a bunch of these other colors. Who doesn't like fun colors? You know, I did the previous one in black, and I'm like, I want to get some colorful ones too, because I want to see what color they're gonna turn into. Like, for example, that brown one, when I bleached it, it turned into like this orangey light brown color, and I'm really excited to see what all these different colored crewnecks will turn into. These only cost $10. They're such good quality. As I said, it's one of my favorite crewnecks, one of my favorite tops. They're so cheap, so even if you mess it up, it's okay. There's so many different colors. There's so many, like, not even kidding, there's like 30 colors up there on the website. I'm going to link it down below so you can get the exact same crewneck, because there are a bunch of other crewnecks they're selling, but this one I find is a really good quality. I also have some leftover tie-dye, so I'm going to just color my sweatpants and one of my older white crewnecks. I'm just gonna add some extra color to them because they kind of faded. So I have these sweatpants in white and I never wear them, so I decided to turn them into pink because I saw some really nice pictures on Instagram. And this crewneck, I actually did a tie-dye video with this and turned it into blue, but you can barely see the patches, so I want to add some extra color and make it more vibrant so you can actually see the tie-dye. You're barely gonna need anything for this. All you need is a squeeze bottle, or just like, if you don't have a squeeze bottle, just use a regular bottle. It's just not as easy to control the flow out of it. You're gonna need water and bleach. What you're gonna do is take your squeeze bottle or your bottle, fill it up halfway with water, the other half with bleach, mix it up together, and you're just gonna scrunch your hoodie however you want and wait till it loses color. And once it loses color, you're just gonna wash it out, and that's it. So let's go to the washroom, or yeah, let's go to the bathtub, and I'll see you guys there. So here's a squirt bottle. I already filled it up halfway with water. Make sure you put something down to cover your surfaces, and here is the bleach that I'm using. Okay guys, we're gonna start with this green hoodie. Start twisting it and scrunch it together. Now that it looks like this, we're gonna start bleaching. So you're gonna pour wherever you want to, basically. Just gonna pour this everywhere. And when this side is done, we're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. It's another day, or I should say another week, or maybe 2 weeks. So we have finally washed our bleach dyed, tie-dye crew necks, sweaters, sweatpants. I personally really like how they turned out. I definitely have some favorites. I like some more than other ones. But basically after you're done bleaching them, you just want to wash them. Preferably separately so they will not mix the colors. And yeah, if you want to see how they turned out, then make sure you stay tuned for the fashion show. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you will try it out yourself. I really like this. Actually, I really like all of them. My favorite one I would have to say is the green one. I really love the dark blue color, but I don't like how it turned out. I might actually re-bleach that. But I also really like how the pants turned out. I'm honestly loving all of them. When I'm at home, this is literally what you can find me in. So these are perfect comfy clothes that you want to just lounge around in, and be cozy. I really like this one too. This one and the sweatpants are actually tie-dyed. All the other ones are the bleach dye one. And I really like how this one turned out. Low-key, this looks like James Charles hoodie that he's selling. So if you want to get your own for $10, then go ahead because this is literally the same. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, follow my Instagram. I'm linking it down below in the description. And give me a like, comment. I would love to talk to you guys. See you in my next video. Bye!